Si Ma'am Jing Asuncion ang Junior Manager sa Franchisee Operation Development sa Medicos Zaraga Branch. Ma'am Jing, congratulations. Good morning.
Good morning, Sir Will. Thank you for gracing our occasion today, and we are delighted that you're here to cover the event.
Yeah, una-una salamat kag ari ka mo diri subong sa among banwa, no, sa Banwa sang Zaraga. Ano ato ni mga service offered, ma'am, sa pagbukas na subong sang Medicos diri sa Zaraga, Iloilo?
So we are very happy that Medicos Zaraga is finally open. This is our 20th franchise branch and our 28th Medicos branch all over the Philippines. So starting tomorrow, we are open. We will have our grand opening. Our services offered is laboratory, X-ray, ultrasound, ECG, and drug test. So, and medical consultation. So, starting tomorrow, we can accept all the patients na mag-come in na sa amin. Our operational hours is from 6 a.m. So, as early as 6 a.m. to cater na ang mga naga-fasting bala, sir. So, 6 a.m. to 4 p.m. open kami.
Okay.
We are ready to serve the people of Zaraga and, of course, to the neighboring municipalities of Zaraga also. They are very welcome to visit us, also to share to them our excellent service. We also cater our pre-employment. We accept pre-employment. We have pre-employment packages. We also have annual PE for corporate clients. They are very welcome to inquire with us para nga ma-cater sila namon tanan-tanan.
We have doctors.
Yes, we have doctors. We have family med. The owner is a family med doctor herself. So, pwede gid siya ka-cater sa aton nga mga kliyente. Every day may clinic kita. Every day may physician on board.
Okay, so every day may consultation.
Yes, and also we have also dental clinic that could cater to the dental needs of the people of Zaraga.
Every day.
Every day.
Okay, sige. Drug test, ano?
Drug test soon, sir. Ang drug test naman is on process. We are currently trying to get the accreditation from the DOH. But eventually, in a month's time or two, na ganun drug test.
Sige, Ma'am Jing, thank you. Pag-put up ninyo diri sang Medicos Zaraga Branch, any message sa mga neighboring towns, no, diri sa Zaraga, Iloilo?
First of all, Sir Will, would like to thank our franchisees. This is a franchise center of Medicos Philippines. So they chose Zaraga because tumandok man din sila sa Zaraga, and of course they want to extend the service here in Zaraga. So thank you gid sa aton franchisees that nag-trust sa Medicos nga dalon diri sa Zaraga ang ngalan ni Medicos to serve the Zaraga and the nearby municipalities. Of course, we invite everybody to come and visit. Hindi man sila nga masakit sila, no, but they should try our services because syempre in Medicos we offer excellent. We are very accessible, affordable, and of course, our season test naman is very well known naman kami, sir, na modesty aside, but number one si Medicos all over the Panay and here in Western Visayas.
Ma'am Jing, thank you. Salamat.
Thank you, Sir Will. Thank you for gracing the occasion.